On this episode of Manufacturing Matters, we visit Kyler Aviation at the Okmulgee Regional Airport. Specializing in aircraft maintenance, inspections, engine overhauls, and avionics service, Kyler Aviation helps keep aircraft flying safely and reliably. It's aviation expertise pilots can depend on.
My name is Jonny Oglesby, and I have been in aviation for 24 years. I have had a passion for aviation since I was a young kid. Mechanics has been my thing. I love turning wrenches, and with the years of experience I've done some antique World War II aircraft. I've worked on some newer Cirrus aircraft. I've worked on 177s, Beechcraft Bonanzas and Barons, some Moonies, and I've just really loved being a part of the aviation community with the pilots, with the owners, with other mechanics. And then throughout the course of that time, I have started Kyler Aviation in 2019. After having years of training and experience and time, I realized that I had a passion for stepping out and making this a bigger staple in the world than what we had. So we started out with building, overhauling, repairing the Lycoming 540s, 360s, 320s. We have dealt with a few Continentals, but we primarily deal with just the Lycoming because the business is there, parts are available, and I just love it. I just love the engine. Through that course of time, the people we've met and the work we've done for different customers, there has been a discovery of a need for the Beechcraft Bonanzas, Barons, some Musketeers to get annual inspections, and that's where we do an inspection every year. We open the panels up, the covers, we look at the aircraft to see what it needs fixed or if there's anything that needs adjusting, and then put it back together and give it back to the customer. So we do that annual inspection, and then usually that includes some repairs, and whether it's small stuff or big stuff, we do all that in-house. And then we take the aircraft out for a test run and make sure everything's working like it should there, and then we're all done. So out of all the aircraft that are at the Okmulgee Airport, I maintain or repair all of them. If they fly, I fix them and take care of them. The other thing is when aircraft fly through Okmulgee or through this area, we are a great airport for people to land at for fuel. Our prices are good, as well as our runway is just astronomically huge. It's bigger than you need. So it's a great airport for people to come and land at, and unfortunately, a lot of people break down here. So this exact hangar has actually housed a number of aircraft that have been on their way somewhere, they break down, and then I'm able to put them in here, fix them up, and get them back out. And so I've been able to have an impact on Okmulgee because they either will land here and now they need a hotel, so they get a hotel for a couple days and we get the airplane fixed up, as well as they obviously need somewhere to eat, and then they get to experience the town of Okmulgee, what Okmulgee is all about, and that none of them have ever left without having enjoyed their time or their experience with Kyler Aviation.
From aviation expertise to the industries shaping our economy, Okmulgee manufacturing continues to move forward. Join us next time as we visit Anchor Glass, where raw materials are transformed into millions of glass containers used across the country. On the next episode of Manufacturing Matters.